Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. We are going to have a walk today. Hey, we are going to have a walk through Kisenyi, downtown, there, all the way up to Ovino, Ovino, that side, downtown. So the life that you're going to experience today, the life that you're going to see today, is the downtown life, the real hustle. Leave alone these things. We be there, smear driving, what. This is going to be the real hustle. Just like you can already see, we have shoes on the sides. You're going to see animals. You're going to see maize. You're going to see groundnuts. You're going to see a lot of things. So I'm going to let you have a feel of the environment, just like the way it is. Kano kankabalekere mugenda kevo isingira. Anyway, please enjoy the video, the natural sounds of the video, how everything is, the real hustle, the real everything. And if you do enjoy the video, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel. People paying for membership, thank you very much. And everybody supporting the channel the best way they can. Thank you very much, guys, for being here. Yeah, so I do airport pickups and drop-offs. My number is up there in the corner. Please reach out with business. I visit the land, the projects. I check on the people at home. The animals. Guys, I am your person. Reach out for business up there in the corner. So anyway, let's go. Of course, I'm going to be coming back for a bit and then for another bit. And then that will be it, yeah? So enjoy Kampala, Uganda, Kisenyi, tuli mu Kisenyi. Actually, no, this side, it's still Kisenyi. This is the side when you're coming from Katwe, this is the side when you're coming from Katwe, and then you cross through Kisenyi, and then you cross through still Kisenyi, but downtown, the other side of Nantimula. But I've told them we're going to enjoy the natural sound, and I'm all right, guys, natural sound now. Guys, have you seen that big building? Look at that big, huge, massive building. I know you've seen it. So yes, I know I'm not talking over the sound, but when you see a big building, keep in mind that you have to make money. When you see nice things, keep in mind that you have to make money. When you see things that are not nice, still keep in mind that you have to make money so that you live a better life than that. You feel me? Hey, make money. Money is the goal and nothing else. Remember, I still have that chiboko. And now, guys, are you seeing all the rubbish? Yes, the people cleaned on the cleaning day, but the trucks have not taken the rubbish yet. As in kasasira achari wachatu tunulidde bwati. Hey, let's keep walking. Mujja tugende badia. So guys, I think you're seeing that the hustle is very real. I think you're seeing that things are serious. The hustle is real. Nothing is for joking here. The business is businessing. Things are very serious. I'll be waiting for you in the comments. I would like to hear from you. I would like to know what you think about everything that we have seen today, the life that we have experienced, and everything that comes with it. Kambarinda mujjetu ogere 20 million. Those things of 20 million. This is where you're going to end up. At even some businesses here, they look like that, but they are worth more than 20 million. Anyway, guys, once again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. Membership, we are getting membership videos once again, and I will be seeing you in our next video. Yeah, so take care of yourselves, be good people. If it's not on, it is not safe. Mwekume, people are very sick. We are making the money legally or illegally. We are making this money. So be good people out there, and I will be seeing you in our next video. So the people this side, they sell beddings. These are the original people of the beddings, as in Bariba original, leave alone these things of bedding that you're seeing nowadays all over the place. These people here, bed covers, curtains, what, this is the original. Anyway, guys, I will see you in our next video. Yeah, all right, bye bye, see ya, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.